The Nyothrab Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The pandemic had restricted various kinds of activities across the country as COVID-19 cases kept on increasing by the day. In Meghalaya too, various government sectors had shut down activities as lockdown was imposed in districts across the state. This had hampered the livelihood of the masses, especially those who earned their wages on a daily basis. However, with the vaccination of a majority of the people and serious monitoring by the government of the spread of the virus, has enabled the reopening of activities once again across Meghalaya. In southwest Khasi Hills, the lifting of restrictions has once again enabled tourism activities to reopen. On 18th November 2021, a function was held wherein Tourism Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District L.R. Kharpomtia, in the presence of Yaupao Adventures and Tourism Association Nongna, once again reopened the Mautanhyang sandstone caves at the village. While speaking during the function, Kharpomtia urged upon all visitors and tourists to strictly adhere to health protocols issued by the government so that there will be no rush or stampede inside the caves. He also announced that the entry fee would stand at Rs 100 per head.
Nakaliang jong ka tourism department ni pidang sobhab yakinu nugi tourist ki bawan sekani ke Jaka tang ba nga kerpat yaki nongwan jong akai bakin sobhaban board perking yaki guidelines ka ba kini ki nong penya jong kane ka krem ki ai happy shwa benrum sakram kumbain kusa ba phimde benrum merwai sakram bad haba phirung ru phide ben dabyang ye helmet kita slide ki ba nang ni na po ka seng ka ba penya ya kane ka krem kila ben ai phi te ka dor jong kane ka benrum sakram kolong ba kalong sispat tengka kalau kuntup lang ya ka bayrung kabay helmet kabay taslide bat kabay yalam lenti namata season light bat season 1 bat nga kerparu yakinong jung kay perthai habakiwan sini kin burom ya ka mei mariang lani ka kabadon saudong sokun jong ka keram bakin num bret pathar yakijing jabo ikabaki wanra bat kina thaba kidasbin bakin long kiba lek khun bat kin long kiba lek donokor ha kane ka Jaka bat kidi bengej sneng ru yaki nong penya khanang ba kanum don kanunu ka jing susi ka banja ha kane ka kram.
The secretary of Nongna Domsokhai village, Kermens Kem R. Raja, while informing of various tourist spots in the area, also appealed to visitors and residents to maintain cleanliness of such locations by not littering the places with waste products.
Ha kapede berkini ke krempat apa ngimla ban klem dapan pau na kapor si kapor na we usnem ya ki ba Brian hi ba lawan yu kejat ne kong ni ban pen itu ya kene ya ka jing internet ju ke me mariang ha ka bangi ngi bot ila ngi subudin ya ka ka ki lawan nadu usnem arjar ma ba ha ki ka long ka phalai bat hadu ba naklian ju ngi snong ngi la perto ba ne lu mi pau ong ba kala deh ka snong ju ki krem mar haus na arjar bagi wan kamot bakila lejrung hadu kendai spol teli ki krem badan hau ne lu mi pau re ngilap ba ka bajrong du kedai kene ka mau teniang te ngi ai perto na ka por se ka por ba Allah namar da klem ka jingwan ka jungki ngim tip na klian jungi ki na snong te ngoburom i ban ngi perto na ka por se ka por mar leng ba ka jingwan jong i bangi satip pat bangi penya je kene bakan long ka Jaka jong okai nomor hang ne lu mi pa jing sha idon sibon ki Jaka jong okai amdai tang kene ka krem pada ya ken je ki ba ki bupon ban pej ya ka Bangla ban pej ya ki India ki don ni ilum nang ta ki ksat ki ayu ki ya don bon hi nei kawai ka bangi sem jing na kalian jong ka asion bangin le ya barok khoj nomor ba nakabor barit jongi him parla tingi kermen ba suki mod bangila ban pendap yakine ya baro gi kaba ngi yui bat hagi juga poro kerpat baong nakalian jong ki bor ki ba khamhalor nakalian jong ka sarkar ki kerpat baong ba te phai khmat lem sia kene ka asosian ne jungi bangila ban pen urlong ye kene jing anut ne jungi ha kene ka dong ka thai jong ka nong na area hi pro ko we